In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Copilot Alt+Space keyboard shortcut. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. You know, sometimes those keyboard shortcuts that are meant to be helpful can actually cause more confusion than they're worth. And if you're someone who uses the Copilot feature heavily but finds that hitting Alt and Space at the same time opens up a distracting panel, you might want to disable that shortcut. So let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, let's start by opening the settings on your device. Regardless of whether you're on Windows or Mac, your settings are generally easy to access. If you're using the Windows operating system, go ahead and click on the Start button, which is typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's open, you'll see a gear icon that represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. If you're on a Mac, you can find the settings by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. When you click that, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select System Preferences from that list. In the Settings menu, look for something like Keyboard. This is where most of your key bindings and shortcuts will be managed. Click on that to enter the keyboard settings. On Windows, you might see various tabs along the top. You're looking for something that says Shortcuts or Key Shortcuts. If you're on a Mac, you may need to look for Shortcuts within the keyboard settings. Now, once you're in the Shortcuts area, we need to find the specific shortcut related to Copilot. This might be tucked away under a submenu, possibly labeled App Shortcuts or Service Shortcuts. So go ahead and look closely. Once you find it, you should see a list of all the shortcuts that are currently active. Here's where it gets a bit more detailed. You will want to locate the one that's tied to the Alt+Space combination. If you see it popping up in your list, fantastic. If not, you may need to consider yourself a bit of a detective here, because it can sometimes be listed under a slightly different name or along with other similar shortcuts. Okay, once you have located the Alt+Space shortcut, it's time to disable it. On Windows, you can either click on it to highlight it or right-click it to bring up more options. Now, you should see an option to remove or deactivate the shortcut. Go ahead and select that option. If you're on a Mac, you can usually either uncheck a box next to the shortcut or click on it to highlight it and then use a backspace key to remove it entirely. This process should effectively turn off that pesky shortcut so that hitting those keys at the same time no longer opens up the Copilot feature. Once you've completed these steps, don't forget to exit out of the Settings menu. Normally, any changes you made will take effect immediately, but it's a good idea to restart your application or even your computer just to be sure everything's in order. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Copilot Alt+Space keyboard shortcut. Now you can work more seamlessly without those unnecessary interruptions. If you did find this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the